Hello, it's your boy again. Thanks for coming to my channel. And we're back on 51 coin today. This is 113.31 now. So we are waiting for the signal from the teacher. You can see I'm signed into the Facebook group and people are waiting. You can see the thumbs ups and words in Chinese or probably Mandarin. The teacher comes on about 1340, 1347. That's when he starts giving the trade, but don't take my word for it. And I guess this is his profile. Yes, I don't know what's in Chinese, but what I normally do is I use Google Translates to try to be active in the group, because there was a time that they said if you're not so active, they would kick you out. So they try to promote some bit of activity in the group as well. So I some of the words that I tend not to understand, I try to convert it, I try to translate it into English, So we were waiting for the teacher to give a signal now. You can see I'm logged into my 51 coin as well. I'm ready to take my trades. And at the same time, for the purpose of this training, I'm logged into my Facebook account as well on my phone as well. I'm only logged onto my desktop Facebook so you guys can see how the trade is being taken. So what I've done is I've got a tab for my 51 coin right beside my Facebook group, just for easy alternation, between the two. So what I'm going to do now is just try as much as possible to make my 51 coin page very active. So by the time that I'll be taking my trade, it would not log me out. So what I'll do is just play around with some of this indicator, try to add some indicator, try to delete some indicator, and try to get some form of activity on the page. I don't know the time limit, whereby it's going to log me out, but what I do is I change some setting, I change the moving average, and I change this to the 50 moving average. Change the setting of the parabolic SARS to Y. You don't need all this though. I'm just trying to do it, just get my 51 coin platform active before the trade is being called. I'm going to take some trade. I've got 120 USDT in my account. So what I'm going to do is I will try to risk some percentage of the account today. So let's say about 5%. So let's say about $5, 5 USDT, thereabout. And this would not make me blow my account easily. So by the time I take about 3 trades, so what I'll be risking on my account is 35 USDT. But the teacher actually suggested that, you can go as much as 5. It does as much as 5. And times 3. I do times 2. Okay, now we've gotten a signal for sell 60.41. So what I'll do is 41, I'm going to put 5. Then I'm going to click on sell. Sell. So let's see. You can see the time counting down. Sell. I'm doing 5 USDT. So this would finish very soon. And our 41 forecast period 1341 would start. That's 1341 to 1342. I told you to pay cognizance to the forecast period. So that is what we got here. We got the forecast period for time 1341 sell. So the forecast period now has changed. You can see my trade is going to go into my position. My trade is going to go into my position. What I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh. This is what I told you. So you can see I'm winning the trade. So you can see my profit is 4.75. That is if I win this trade. My profit will be 4.75. And I'm going to show you the amount people are risking now on this. You can see the amount people are risking, 3,000 USDT. Somebody's risking 3,000 USDT, yeah? Then I'm going to show you the next one as well. Somebody's risking 500 USDT. This is 50 USDT. So it all depends on your risk appetite, as I've said. And it's, oh yeah, we won the trade, we won the trade. So that is just, it's so easy. You don't need to stress yourself about watching the moving averages or planning to take your trade yourself. You've got somebody to do it all this for you. And most of the time, we always win at the top trade, at the top trade, at the top trade. It's less likely it takes us to the fifth trade. So most of the time, about third trade, second trade, we always have a win. So we hardly see it taking us to the fifth trade. So this is just as simple as that. Place how much you want to risk here in the volume and just take your trade, either buy or sell. And you can see my money is 125. And this is what I'm going to do every fortnight. I might come to show you how we've grown these accounts. This is what I'm going to start with for everybody. Probably $100, 50 USDT, 20 USDT to risk. You don't need to put a grand. You don't need to put $10,000. You don't need to put $50,000 here. Let's start small and let's grow this account together. That is the purpose of this training. Let's do it together. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that right now. And also, I'm going to place the link for the registration to 51 coin. You can use my link below the video, and my invitation code is there as well. So you can use the invitation code. Once you've done that, you can contact me via Telegram. My Telegram too is under the video, and I'm going to add you to the group, to the messenger group. And once that is done, you can start taking your trade. Thanks a lot for coming online to watch this section, and hope to see you soon as well. Bye.